Hi, welcome to Schogini Toys. Today what we are going to do is, we will see in detail how we can attach this LED light emitting diode. This is called an LED, and LED has two pins, and if you see, one of the pin is longer. See this pin? This pin is longer. Can you see? So that pin must get batteries plus voltage. Okay, that is all you need to remember. Secondly, LED cannot be connected directly to a battery. You must have a component to limit the amount of current that should flow through the LED. So for this, we will use a resistor which will reduce the current. Okay, so now here we will use a resistor that is 470 ohms, because the battery that we are going to use is 9 volt. So 9 volt battery, maybe you can use 1 kilo ohms or 470, and one of the pin, any pin you can choose, but preferably we will use the convention to use the longer pin. So the longer pin we will attach to the resistor. See, you see this, like this we'll keep, and we will twist the resistor pin around the diode pin tightly like this. So this is to avoid the need for soldering. Okay, after that, if you have a scissor or a wire cutter, you can cut off the end to make it neat, and see this, and you can straighten it. Okay, so we have LED and a resistor, and resistor is attached to the longer pin of the LED. Here we have used 470 ohms resistor. These components you can easily get it in any electronic spare parts shop. So now what we need to do is, we need to attach two wires. So I have taken a 2-core wire. You can easily get this type of wire from any electronic shop. You can ask for speaker wire. Okay, this is typically used to connect speakers in audio systems. So you separate them out, and the convention is red color we will use it for plus. So I will use a wire stripper, but you can use a small knife, or you can even use your nail to strip off the insulation from the edge. Okay, so it is done. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so I have taken a small piece of 2-core wire and exposed two ends like this. You don't need any special tools for this. And now what we will do is, I will take some Heatshirk sleeve. Such sleeves you can easily get from any electronic shop. This is called Heatshirk sleeve, but if don't want to use this sleeve, you can use normal insulation tape or even cello tape. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just take, say, this long, and I will insert the sleeve through the other wire. Okay, so I have put two Heatshirk sleeves. I'm doing this to help you to connect without the need to use any soldering iron. Okay, so then this wire, red wire, I will twist tightly onto the resistor's other pin, and the black wire also I will attach like this. Okay, see this? We have inserted two sleeves so that the connection will stay strong. Now what I will do is, I will use a lighter, but be careful when you use a lighter, and I will heat so that the sleeve will shrink. Do you see this sleeve shrinking, making a tight connection? But you will need adult supervision when you use this lighter. Okay. Okay, this is how it looks. So without soldering, we are able to connect an LED and including the resistor, protection resistor attached inside the sleeve, heat shrink sleeve. So now we can safely connect this LED to a battery. The red should go to the plus of the battery. This is a 9-volt battery which you can easily get. So this round pin is plus, it's marked here. So plus is connected to red, and so you see this. But it's not easy to connect like this. So we can easily get a connector like this, which you can attach to the battery. When you attach, make sure that the other ends don't touch. So you can attach it like this, and this connector, in case if you want to replace the battery or stop your circuit, don't pull this wire to take the connector out. Remove it from here, otherwise the wire will come off. So that is the only thing. And when you place, make sure that you first look at the connector and see the matching connection before you touch. Otherwise, if you simply try to push it the other way, circuit will get the voltage in the opposite direction, which could damage some electronic circuits. So first you look at the connection and see the matching joints, and then you push it. Okay, so now this is connected. Now the red wire to the red of the battery, and so you can easily connect like this. So here what I want to introduce is a small connector which you can get from the market. So the battery, see the red wire, I am pushing it onto one side, and the black wire I am connecting it to the other side. So very nicely you can connect, and then the LED red wire on one side, same side of the red of the battery, see here, and black to the other side. So this way you can easily power your house like this. And if you make two LEDs, you can easily connect both the LEDs to this slot and have multiple lights for your house projects or any other project. And after the connection is over, after the project demonstration is over, you can just pull the wire from here so that you can switch the circuit off. Okay, that is it for today. Later we will see how we can attach a buzzer to our own project. So like this we will do small tiny exercises, gaining experience. Okay, and in this house we already have the battery and the LED etc. connected. So this is how it looks when powered on. So this way you can light up your project by adding LEDs. Okay, perfect. That is it. So this is a nice and interesting project which you can easily make at home on your own. You can easily use this as a school science project or as an exhibit for school science exhibitions. And remember, all the items that I have used for this project are listed in the description. At Schogini Toys, we also make such ready-to-build DIY kits with all the parts required. They're available in Amazon and the link is there in the description. And please do share, comment and like this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Schogini Toys, for more similar fun and interesting videos for your school science projects like this. See you soon with more videos like this which all of us can do. Have fun. Take care. Bye-bye.